What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kiamani back at it again with another wig review, and this wig is from Incolorwig. So to begin, the wig was 22 inches. She is a 88J body wave wig, and she is a lace part unit, if I'm not mistaken. So I seen someone on TikTok do like this ginger and had a little bit of blonde in it, and I thought it was so cute. So I decided to add just some random tracks of blonde in the very top, just so you can get a little peekaboo of some blonde. What I did next was I am going to straighten her with my Babyliss flat iron that I just got. I love it so much. But I wanted to do some body curls. You know, that's my signature, so I had to straighten her first. And I can say that the hair did do a very good job at straightening. Sometimes I do have a little bit of a problem with colored hair, but this was perfect. This was the wig all straightened, and I did add a little bit of the layers in the top. I didn't record that part because I've shown you so many times I don't want to bore you. So she is layered, but to do curls, it's you can kind of finesse it if you don't know how to do layers. I'm going to just pin curl, and I am using my wand to curl my hair because I find the wand curls last a lot longer. I don't know why, but they do. Now it's time for the install process. I install all my closure wigs the same, so I'm just going to be using Got To Be, and I'm applying it to the very front of my head. I'm laying the wig down, and I'm going to do a little bit of baby hairs, but I found that I don't really like doing baby hairs all that much no more with colored hair. I feel like it looks a lot better and a lot more natural without them, but I did do baby hairs for this unit. And here is the final look. The layers, the blonde, the whole wig is just bomb. This is a cute style, and I've never tried this color before, so I'm very excited about it. If you did want to pick up this wig and try this out yourself, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Incolorwig for sending me this wig to review. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.